In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ticker in Framer. A ticker is that smooth, continuous scrolling line of text or logos you often see on modern sites, perfect for announcements, highlights, or partner logos. We'll pull a ready-made ticker from the Framer marketplace and drop it straight into your site so you can get results fast. First, open the Framer marketplace and click on Components. This section is a curated library of pre-built, high-quality pieces you can use in your projects without starting from scratch. It's the fastest way to add polished interactions and layouts to your site. In the Marketplace search bar, type Ticker. This will filter the results to show components designed for continuous scrolling content. You'll typically see options for text tickers, logo carousels, and variations with different animation styles. The search helps you quickly narrow down to exactly what you need. Next, browse the results and select a free ticker. Look for items clearly labeled as free so you can add them without purchasing. Click into the one that matches your style, paying attention to the preview to see how it moves and how content is laid out. Choosing a free, well-reviewed component ensures quick setup and fewer surprises. On the components page, click Copy Component. Framer will copy the entire component to your clipboard, including its structure and presets, so it's ready to paste into your project. If a small confirmation appears, that simply means it's copied successfully. Now, head to your site in Framer. Open the project where you want the ticker to live and navigate to the page or frame where it should appear. It helps to have the right layer selected, usually the page frame or a section frame, so the ticker lands in the correct place. With your project open and the canvas active, paste the component. Press the right mouse button to open the context menu, then click Paste. This will insert the ticker onto your canvas. If you don't see it right away, zoom out or check the Layers panel to locate it, as some components paste near the center of the canvas. Once it's placed, you'll see the ticker animating in the canvas or when you preview the site. From here, you can adjust its size by dragging edges, and you can typically edit the content, speed, and spacing in the right-hand Properties panel. That's all it takes to bring a slick, professional ticker into your Framer site quickly and confidently.